Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Tecno Spark Go 2024 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and here we have to scroll and find display and brightness. Now let's scroll down to localize this option, screen timeout. As you can see, it should be in this display section. So let's tap on it. And here we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top, we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds. And at the bottom, the longest option, which is currently applied, which is 30 minutes in this device. So all you have to do is to tap on the option like to use. I'll choose 5 minutes. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.